Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are investments. They're like baskets holding many stocks or bonds. Think of it like buying a variety pack instead of individual items. This makes ETFs a simple way to invest in different parts of the market. Taxes are a crucial part of investing. You want to keep as much of your hard-earned money as possible. Understanding how ETFs are taxed can help you make smarter choices. This can lead to more money in your pocket over time. Investing wisely means understanding the tax implications. This is essential for maximizing your returns. By learning how ETFs work, you can make informed decisions. This will help you achieve your financial goals. ETFs are known for being tax efficient. This means they are structured to help you keep more of your investment gains. When you sell a traditional mutual fund, you might owe capital gains taxes, even if you haven't sold any shares. This is because of how mutual funds are managed. ETFs are different. Their unique structure often results in fewer taxable events. This means you keep more of your profits to reinvest and grow your wealth faster. This tax efficiency is one reason ETFs are attractive to both new and experienced investors. By understanding how ETFs minimize tax liabilities, you can make informed decisions. This will help you optimize your investment portfolio for long-term success. Remember, keeping more of your gains is key to building wealth over time. Capital gains distributions occur when a fund sells assets at a profit. These profits are then distributed to the fund's shareholders. These distributions are taxable, even if you reinvest them back into the fund. ETFs are generally more tax efficient than traditional mutual funds. The way ETFs are bought and sold contributes to their tax efficiency. When you buy or sell an ETF, you are trading it on an exchange just like a stock. This unique trading mechanism helps to minimize capital gains distributions. This allows you to potentially keep more of your investment returns. By understanding how ETFs structure minimizes these distributions, you can see why they are a popular choice. This is especially true for investors who want to minimize their tax burden. Remember, less in taxes means more money working for you.